Videos have become popular media for communicating with the masses. The present popularity of videos is due to the widespread use of camcorders and mobile phones, as well as the convenience of sharing videos on the internet. In the marketing world, videos have become essential marketing tools. Through videos, marketers have found a great way to tell their story and communicate highly complex ideas in a straightforward and easy-to-digest manner. However, the same videos are useful in all other sectors since they help in disseminating information and educating a desired target group. Today, one can instantly create and share a video of any quality and length through the use of various internet-based platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, among others. Even though videos possess immeasurable power to deeply engage audiences, videos also have the power to bore viewers to tears. Accordingly, creating compelling videos is mandatory for any person who seeks to use this tool for the purposes of marketing, educating, and disseminating information, among others. In order to create compelling videos, one requires a different approach compared to the writing of an attractive blog post. As discussed below, the following are some of the new techniques that are proven when one needs to create videos that engage, hold attention, and wow the viewers.